morning, everyone. This is Kerwin. I'm in Albuquerque and I'm watching the balloon festival. This is amazing. Check it out. So basically there are balloons everywhere. Check that out. They're literally, so I'm literally surrounded by balloons.
Please roll below.
Just check that out. The sun's coming up over here, and we didn't. Earlier this morning. Hey, Glinda, how you doing? Earlier this morning they had a dawn patrol, but it was way too windy. So it never happened, but I can't really explain how amazing this is. Those guys are dancing because it's really cold. But they're just balloons everywhere, like all around. No, you're fine. People are trying to duck out of my thing. It's okay. So here you can see them setting one up. They bring it on the back of that truck. Hey, Glinda. My connection is weak, but I'm still going. There's a ton of people here. And then they stretch it out all the way. And it's pretty amazing to watch. And then they take this fan, and this fan pushes air into it. And then they light this thing, and then it goes up. It's just amazing. I'll try to see if I can videotape that when it comes up. But there are all kinds of balloons here. I've seen this for years and never had a chance to come check it out, and finally have. I'm not taking a balloon ride. That's for another day. The camera is not capturing exactly what's going on. Like, that's over my head right now. And the connection is weak because there's so many people here. Like, there are literally hundreds of balloons here. And when I say hundreds, I mean hundreds. Hey, Klaus. Where are you today? Hey, Carly. Oh yeah, it's just amazing. All these people like myself, we've been up since like 4 o'clock in the morning because you have to get here really early. And hey, Guillermo. But it is just simply amazing. There's so many balloons, so many people. And I'm a big aviation geek, but I've never seen, I mean, I've never been in a balloon. Okay, so I'm cold and I'm really excited. That's a really big one. It's amazing. When you come early in the morning, they had like 8 balloons over there, all set up. I think, no, but about 6. And you get the feeling that, oh, there's only 6 balloons here. But I saw all these trucks parked up out here. And then you realize every one of those trucks has a balloon attached to it.
It's a really nice, it's airbrushed. The fabric is airbrushed, and it's a nice.
But it's very cool. I'm just letting you guys soak up.
Yeah. Little partial.
And it's also very cool to watch the balloons come up. I mean, all right, so how many balloons are there? I want to count? 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3 is 6, and 3 9, and 3 12, 15, 18, 21, 23. I'm not counting anymore. It's too many. These are British registered. There's some Canadian registered. I didn't realize that, and I guess I should have, that balloons have a registration number, just like airplanes do. So Facebook keeps saying my connection is weak. And you can see, hey Paula. So that's how they end up in this bag, is how they come. And then they roll them out like that. And it's a lot of work, and it takes a lot of people just to get, hey Illyria, it takes a lot of work and a lot of people just to get a balloon aloft. But they all obviously love their craft. Oops, sorry. There's even like a Spider-Man over there. There's a Joker up there. I'm not sure what this one is. So, oops, sorry. So basically, hey, you're welcome, Lyra. This is a balloon here. That little bundle there becomes one of those. And it's very quiet. Well, I shouldn't say quiet, because you can hear the noise from the those things there. And I don't know my balloon terms, so so there you can see them putting. Let me see if I can go over and get you a good look at this one. So here